more PS3 games as well. What did I say? Yeah, what Fair said, basically. Well, besides Ratchet Clank is more interesting than Evolve. What you find interesting to you? You should say, I find this more interesting, you know? That makes better sense. Up your arse. Guardian, what's going on? Alright, so they put us a little bit further back, which I was hoping for. Alright, so we didn't miss much. Get the suck cannon. I know you guys want to see the suck cannon. Spitting Hydra. I'm gonna go in order though, so I'm gonna get this N60 Storm, and then I'm gonna get the Infector, and then I'm gonna get the suck cannon, and I'm gonna get the Spitting Hydra. Not Witch Monday? No. Let's go here. Yeah, see, this is exactly when it paused. It froze out, so we didn't really miss anything. So when I upload it to YouTube, it's not gonna be like too bad. I'm sorry about that, Guardian. It was supposedly there was an outage. So people that's gonna look at the YouTube video might not even understand, but there was an outage. I had to call, like, dude, it was the most frustrating thing I've ever had to do.
Just in time. We must defend the presidential.
Dude, I've never been so pissed. I've never been so pissed off, dude. The main reason being is that when you call like Optimum and you like trying to do it, they try to let you resolve it automated. Dude, I actually remember failing this mission like a lot as a kid. Dude, it was so frustrating. It's like, you suck in for all the bad bitches.
There's too many of them. We're deadbeats.
Dude, like it like walks you through everything. It's like unplug your router and then unplug your router and then say continue. Do this and then say continue. Do this and then press continue. Oh.
Hold circle to charge up the shot blaster for a more powerful attack.
I didn't know that. Ooh. I'm a fan. And then eventually you get to a point where it doesn't work. So it'd be like, so it's like press say yes if this is working. If it's not working, say there's a problem. And I'm like, if you fucking make me vocally say that there's a problem when I already know that there's a fucking problem with my thing, we're gonna have a fucking problem. Dude.
Area secure. Nice work, ladies. Let's move out.
Dude, I was livid, dude. I was super livid, like, on the thing. And it sucks because it's a freaking automated service, so it's not like they really understand or care. Mr. Absolutely, what's going on? This was also hell as a kid. Yeah, this mission was I remember like dying a lot on these little missions. It just like flashbacks. None of my guns are illegal. Oh god, Little Pony's gonna kill people.
Sarge, cover those Rangers. If we lose the whole squad, it's all over. Incoming!
Boof. 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 I think you can shoot those too.
Everywhere.
What the hell is there water here? Yeah, I think you can shoot these ships. Oh, I got full on plasma whip. Alright. I want to get plasma whip level 2, as sad as that is. Oh god, come here. They're actually not that bad, the little soldiers.
I give up.
Oh god, you're doing this so slow. Okay, so the jump attack is actually decent. All right. There we go, got that.
They're right on top of us. Thanks, Sarge. You saved our cans.
Whoa, I almost lost that. Ooh, child. But guns don't kill people. People kill people, exactly. I've heard that. I don't know exactly where it's from, but I've always heard that guns don't kill people. People kill people. Which is kind of true.
We need to take out those enemy dropships. The sauces are just icing on the cake.
Alright. Alright, we got the guns. Just gotta look at the map. Can I shoot that? Okay, oh shit, I'm sorry. Stop dropping people. Okay, good. Much quicker. Dude, I should play Call of Duty. He just aim? He just aim right now? Dude, you see this aim?
Covering fire.
Jesus, stop it. Stop dropping things. Alright, we're good.
Wave, Sarge. Don't give those plus buckets an inch.
Why does Puss Bucket sound so nasty? Alright, we're good. I'm too good at this game. Call of Duty hype! You guys know I used to play Call of Duty, right? Like Modern Warfare 2?
Sarge. We can take it from here.
No, you can't. You guys suck. Okay, under the gun. Provide covering fire until they repair to until they. Okay.
Protect the repair crew. We need that turret back online.
Whatever. Whip it out. Whip it good. Alright, good. They're actually doing a good job, like. What I feel like in this game, I remember them sucking like really badly.
Keep them off our backs. We'll have this baby back up in no time.
I really remember them like doing really badly. Maybe it's like an AI improvement. That's so not what you're supposed to use that for, but.
Covering fire. We've got to protect the repair crew.
Alright, what else do we need? Oh, Battlefield? I never played Battlefield. And who's a pervert? If you're saying I'm a pervert, it's all good. I understand. I am. Wolf. I just always love the feel of playing these games. I think that's like playing these games, like the feel of it.
Keep it up. Repairs are almost finished.
Done. It's just been way too good. Alright, 20 more seconds and then we're good. Dunk! Oh god, I'm not close at all. Oh god. Oh god.
listen.
Dude, I almost lost the mission like in the last couple seconds. I have my own boobs. Why would I buy any game for boobs? What? Oh, Dead or Alive? Isn't it supposed to be entertaining as well as a good fighting game?
The Noids have launched an all-out assault. We need those air defenses online yesterday.
Enemies appear red on the radar.
Oh, thanks.
Allies appear blue. Mission objectives appear green.
Dear God.
Those turrets can only target aircraft. You need to handle the ground troops yourself.
Wait, where's the next one? Oh, okay, it's right here. Spin, spin, spin. I never liked it. Like, I don't like the I guess it's not ragdoll. Like, it just looks really weird. Like the actual, get the hell out of my screen, bro. Like the way Dead or Alive looks, it looks really awkward. Like how they actually combo stuff, it looks really awkward to me. You like how I dodged with this thing? Don't agree. Who disagreed with me? Got you mad, bro? You mad, bro? Alright, so we're turning on the defenses right now. No, Tekken actually is legit. Like, the way that they actually bounce looks like decent. Like, well, of course that's my opinion, but, like, they don't, like, if you look at Dead or Alive, the way that they flop, like, bodiless. They don't even, like, bounce correctly. They look really, really awkward.
Keep it up, Sarge. We just need one more turret to stop the Noids cold.
It just looks really awkward.
Mission accomplished. Take it from here, Sarge.
Look at it, I'm helping a war right now.
Clank, you're even more impressive in person than you are on the holovid. And I must say, I've never seen a chauffeur fight like you do, son. Who says you can't find good help these days, right, Clank? Sasha's told me a lot about you. Don't get any ideas, kid. She is way out of your league. Sasha filled me in on the Quark situation.
Get shit on,
I'm
kid.
told the man thinks he's a monkey?
He has lost his memory, sir.
Well, then you'll simply have to find it for him. We need our star player back in the game ASAP. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
My daughter tells me you're a man who's good with his hands, Ratchet.
Sir, I swear I never...
The city's laser shield went down during the attack. Now, we are defenseless
Wow.
without it. I sent out a repairman to fix it, but he disappeared.
Jiggle
I need you to
fixes.
get that shield system back online.
Yes, sir. We're on it.
I love the humor in this game. Like, I don't think, like, there's not much. Like, it has really good humor. It has humor in it that's, like, of age, you know? Like, you understood it. Like, you definitely understood it. Jiggly titties are the best titties. My chat right now. Look at this shiny thing. Oh god. Alright, we gotta use more whip it. But I'm actually not that big of a fan of big breasts, though. I think we said this before, and everyone thought I was
The
crazy.
refractor will let you redirect laser beams. Just equip it and stand in the path of the laser.
There we go. I think I can also use that to hit people also as well. I also like the puzzle solving in this game. No, I actually stopped doing that. I used to actually have it. I forgot what game I used to have it on. We used to have the chat on screen. I stopped doing that because I forgot what game it was. I think it was Naruto? Pretty sure it was Naruto. What? that glitch? Oh, okay, I see. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh, wrong weapon. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that. Whoopsies. We're gonna twerk this up. Tachi's gonna die by motorboarding. It could happen. It could definitely happen, I believe. Tachi still reminds me of that guy in that video I showed to you, Roxas and Fair. That was mostly supposed to. Does that hurt me? Okay, it does. Oh god. I knew it was gonna hurt me. I just wanted to show you guys that it can hurt you. You know, this is all about showcasing, you know, to the stream. What about this? Will this beam hurt me? Okay, that beam does hurt me. Okay. All to show you guys, I promise. Isn't that how people take, like, really good Instagram pics? Science! Oh, that's a good album. Look at that science. Oh god, oh god. What the aim? Alright, I'm about to get the second level of the plasma whip.
Ratchet, there should be a spider symbol somewhere in that room. Use the beam to lead the spider drone over the symbol, and then zap it with the laser.
That was weird. The hell? Can this thing upgrade already? Oh, I didn't get like a little smooth cutscene or anything like that. Am I being left out? Of course you are. That's just how things are, dude. Alright, I don't really know what to do. Nope, I gotta do something else first. What the hell do I have to do? Something back over there? No, I gotta twist this first. Oh, okay, I see. I'm really stupid. What? That's so stupid. There we go. What was the other way first? Yeah, I don't have those boots yet. Anything over there? No. Smack him in the mouth. Dude, I'm too pro. Way too pro in this game. When am I gonna get the boots? What up, bro?
Hey, look, it's Al. Got the shields up yet?
Silence! I am concentrating.
What the? That's a Quark vid comic.
Excuse me. It is a historically accurate interactive graphic novel.
How can you use the city's defense network to play a video game?
Simple. I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter
Word.
and reprogrammed a graphic subprocessor.
Uh-huh.
No, I mean, it's... Clank, you speak, nerd.
It appears you have a feedback loop in the induction coils of your DB3 signal processor.
Impossible! I ran a recursive checksum on the signal matrix. Hey, there is a feedback loop.
Oh, Tachi.
May we borrow this vid comic?
Treat it gently. It is a first edition.
Perhaps this will help restore Quark's memory.
Shield power restored.
Quark comic issue 1. Booty is in the eye of the beholder. Okay. Cat equals gods. Oh god. What are the people gonna be as anyway? People love cats, dude. People love cats. It is not a game. People love cats. I personally hate cats. Let me not say I hate them. I don't like necessarily hate them. I hate like... I guess I hate like... I just think that dogs are better, I guess. Dogs are just better. But there's one thing I hate about dogs, and that's how like thirsty they are for food. When they hound, they like hover over you for food. That's probably like the only thing, like one of the biggest things that I hate about dogs. Alright, we got Mad Cake. Buying that. Buying that. Buying that. Then we're gonna get the Spitting Hydra later. Alright.
The infector fires nanovirus globules that infect enemies on contact. Infected enemies will attack and infect other enemies until the infection wears off.
Oh, that's sexy. Let's look at this. Oh, it's the good old trusty gun. Good old trusty business. Your cats like watch over you when you eat? You must feed them then, I guess. You must feed them shit. Your dog, like if you bring home food and they know that you're eating food, you must have trained them not to do that. I feel that's like a natural dog thing to do. Or if you've ever fed your dog like regular food, like somebody they can tell you, I think that they do that. They start to expect you to do it. Lots of fun to have around. They don't scratch as much. They stick their face into your plate. Tachi, what the hell do you must feed your cats like regular food? That has to be it. You have to like feed them like because that's the only reason that they'll sit there and expect someone to do that. Like that was my era. Like we fed our dog like regular food, so they sometimes expect that to happen. All right, so now I have to go over here and I have to play this comic video in hopes that it refreshes Quark's memory of not being.
Watch and learn, Clank. This is how a real hero gets it done.
Hey, watch. He's gonna look at this and start having memory flashbacks, I guess. Don't make fun of me if I die, because I'm gonna die. Remember how these played out? Yeah, it is bad for them. Well, depending on what you give them.
These are the real-life adventures of Captain Quark, the greatest superhero the galaxy has ever known.
Greatest superhero the galaxy has ever known.
Meticulously reconstructed by our crack research team with the aid of eyewitness accounts, bathroom gossip, wild speculation, and a magic 8-ball.
And a magic 8-ball.
In the early days of the 5th Solarian equinox, the Solana galaxy was terrorized by a notorious pirate known as Captain Blackstar.
Ahoy! Anybody else got a craving for fish and chips?
Though still in the prime of his youth, Captain Quark was already a living legend.
I was beating him up with a stick.
However, no previous adventure could have prepared Quark for his encounter with the dread pirate Blackstar and his crew of... Oh, please tell me this is a typo.
That's robotic pirate ghosts. Guess reading wasn't your subject, eh, Professor?
Right. Now we begin the interactive.
Please tell me this is a typo.
1. Booty is in the eye of the beholder.
Remember, guys, booty is in the eye of the beholder. Oh, what is this? Okay, I can't hit those.
You just picked up an officially licensed Quark token. Collect all the tokens in the level to earn a secret prize.
Oh, you know we want that secret prize hype. Oh, what did it tell me?
Bling bling, baby. The red ones are worth 10 Quark tokens.
Oh, you know we gotta get all 100. It's I guess 100 in a match. Oh yeah, let's go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Get all the dirty over here. Bop. 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 Ow, fuck. You know that had an explosion on it. You sir are a dick. Ooh, you see the combo though? Whoa. Okay. We got 48. No. I saw it up there. No, I saw it. Nope, I saw it. Nope. Swag. 61. Getting all these buddies. Oh, let's go. Square button too strong. Square button too strong.
Old-timers say a giant robotic space eel haunts this ship. What a bunch of hooey.
Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
I didn't even do that at all. Alright, we're good. 74. Here we get them all, baby. Oh. Oh, you don't really need to kill him. Doesn't matter. Oh, he has like a... Oh, the gun like one-shots them. Alright, 5 more. 5 more! 1 more. Flag. Oh, I got a bolt for it. Alright, I'm good. My girlfriend's booty is not the best booty. If you believe so.
A nice juicy health upgrade. Remember, cadets, there's one in every level.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you for telling me that. Shoot it! Shoot it! Oh, I fucked up. Wait. Yes, thank you. Oh god. Dude, this game is so hard. Oh! Swag. 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 Dude, I'm too good in video games. Boing, boing. Got all the tokens, got the... Swag. That's not annoying. That's a completely sound that I'd love to hear all the time. I should just make that my sub emote. I mean my follow alert all day. Just hear that noise all the time. Every waking second that I have possible. Just hear that drilling coin sound. Yeah, that's what I want.
I mean, I've worked on some real junk, but this one takes the cake. Pirate, ghost, robots. What do they think? We're idiots?
Hey, Professor, snap to it.
Once again, the citizens of the Solana Galaxy owed their lives to the dauntless courage of the remarkable man behind the cube. With great reluctance, Quark accepted a meager fee for his services.
A meager
and promptly
fee.
Donated the entire sum to the Quark for Tots Scholarship Fund, a charity providing makeovers and buxom bimbos for needy people named Quark.
I've got a big heart.
He donated to his own charity for himself.
Yes,
what
I
a
got
G.
the fruit basket, thanks. It turns out I'm allergic to prunes. Yeah, who knew? What? Blackwater City is under attack. Yes, sir. I'm on my way.
The exciting, all true, right, adventures of
All
Captain
true.
Quark continue in episode 2.
You have Torchlight? Who here has a killing floor? We need to do that one day. I think maybe when I come back we might do that. Uh-oh. Flashbacks. Flashbacks.
Well, who's that handsome devil?
It appears Quark has regained his memory.
Hey, this dressing room isn't fit for a pig. What kind of shoddy production are you people running?
That's him, all right.
He may need a while to adjust. In the meantime, I've got a mission that's perfect for you two. We've just learned of a prototype holographic device that can disguise the user as a Tyrannoid, even allowing him to speak Tyrannese.
Tyrannese.
Is it just me, or do you smell bananas?
Anyway, the device happens to be the grand prize on this week's Annihilation Nation.
Yes.
Check it out.
I always love the tournaments in these games. Love it.
Tonight on Annihilation Nation, we
It's like
feature
TL2 or
all new
TFBs.
Death Force.
And there's Torchlight 2 and
Tonight's
Diablo 3.
victim. Oops, I mean contestant, Fred. Fred is a Gadgetron accountant who claims he once had a Morpho Ray go off in his pants. What a champ. Let's
the
take
hell?
a look at what he's up against. Doesn't look too bad now, does it? Good luck, Fred! Next!
Wow. He killed him like in the beginning.
Another day, another death course.